everyone, welcome to Downright Blessed. I'm Crystal Keys, and thanks for joining our day. Today we really wanted to go on a walk, and it just about didn't happen, but pulled through in the end. Turned out great. Zoe likes to give Magnus things, toys, kitchen gadgets, really anything. She likes to gift him, and he chews them up, and so that was an interesting part of the day. It happens a lot. We have a really important week coming up. We're gonna do some really fun things with Busy Bags, and Zoe has an important doctor's appointment. That's to get ready for her surgery. And by the way, if you've not heard of Busy Bags, just go on Pinterest, put in Busy Bags or preschool or pre-K Busy Bags. They're really fun and easy to make, and we're going to be making some of those this week. And if you have enough people in your community, you can swap those, so that's fun too. But I'll be filling you in on the things that we're going to make this week for Zoe. And thank you for those subscribers. Thank you so much. We appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the bell icon. We appreciate you. Love you guys. Thanks for joining our day. You don't know what I'm gonna say. Do it this way. Go get it. Ready? Go get it. You can do it. Good job, Bella. Yeah, do it again. One more. Come here. You're on the wrong way. You're on the wrong way. Oh, get it. Here, do it this way. Right? Here, go get it. Zoe, go get it. Ready, set, go.